Roman Reigns.
You know, guys, he's a three-time WWE champion. He won the 2015 Royal Rumble. He's main evented a couple of WrestleManias.
His opponent, weighing at 385 pounds, Braun Strowman.
He looks to eliminate one, the big dog, Roman Reigns. One of the biggest challenges of Roman Reigns' career. And now Strowman quickly powers Roman into the corner, then lets him across the ring. Just like that, use your quickness, waist lock, and an elbow by Strowman. And again, Roman this time whipped out of the ring by Braun. Big fight atmosphere is Strowman. And Reigns back to the apron again, blasted on. This time though, Roman looking for that opening, and perhaps this time the face stops that. Roman though with a boot to the face. Big fight, he's getting one. And Reigns blasting Braun over the top rope landing. Oh, maybe not.
It might not. It might put him in a terrible place. When you throw the best you've got at Strowman.
Oh, the steps. Roman affirming. And now using the steps to his advantage. Braun Strowman though into the steps as Roman
Reigns has got to maintain that. Oh, pressing hard.
And Reigns this time caught him with a knee on the nose. Realizes he's got to take the notice. Braun still covering up his nose. Oh man! Grabbing the midsection, the rib area. Strowman again, and now peeling him across the ring. So thick, you have to have some sort of sustained Strowman. Now Reigns looking for the Samoan drop, 385 pounder on his shoulder, not enough. The Samoan drop of his own.
Next to Roman Reigns.
And there's a splash by Strowman. Covers, hooks the leg out of Roman, forces him to Strowman again. To the ribs. Reigns with a clothesline.
Again, taunting Reigns.
Roman Reigns not going to back down, but he's caught. Caught by Strowman. Face first. And Roman fighting back, though. You got to give it to Reigns, continuing to try to fight with Strowman first.
No way. He's going to power slam Reigns through the
Reigns trying to
table.
fight out of it and does, and now bounces him off the... Oh, it's for the drive-by. Strowman caught Reigns in the air. Braun Strowman.
Oh, my God.
Shoulder first. And Braun feeling the effects. Roman Reigns lands on his feet. The left turn. Samoa drop. The big man's down. Cover. Isn't enough. Kick out by Strowman. But the Superman punch. Strowman sidestep. Roman bounced off the turnbuckle.
Strowman got in mind here. Up goes the big dog.
Man.
Down he goes.
And that could be it. Strowman with the cover and Reigns.
Watch the acceleration of Strowman. Oh, no.
He got caught. Hung up top rope out to the floor. Win either. This time, drive by. The stops. Went for the spear. Strowman caught him. Braun Strowman. And Roman Reigns realizes that with a spear by Reigns. Cover, hooks the leg on Strowman. Oh, power out of the spear. Trying to do it again here. Uh-oh, caught by Strowman. Back into the corner. Oh, nobody home.
Did you hear that?
More time. Superman punch. Superman punch again. Strowman just now down into the second rope. Roman. Oh, God, just blasted. Roman 3/4 of the way. Oh, and nobody home. God. Has Strowman in position. Spear. Cover. Leg. Reigns wins.
Here's your winner, Roman Reigns.
You gotta believe in the big dog now. How can you not?